Dear readings people, how's it going? Person with glasses here so I can read what is on screen. Today we're going to talk about Cirus, a wallet that has been around for a couple years by now, listed on some of the biggest exchanges out there, and they are the Web3 wallet that pays you to surf the web and earn crypto, which is a pretty cool idea. My mindset always was, before I talk about this in detail, if you do something anyways, let's say you browse the web, might as well get something for it. It doesn't make it worse for you, there is no downside. This just gives you something for free. And for that, you have Cirus. They have their own wallet. I will show you how to get that in a second. There are over 10,000 users that already use the wallet. They get paid for browsing the web, where you get paid either in their Cirus tokens or in USD. And if you already give it away for free to big tech, might as well get paid for it. Now, when I was younger, maybe like 15, 16, I used a similar thing called Swagbucks. Some of you might remember that, which in a simple way also gives you points for using their extension in order to browse the web. So this is right down the alley, a trip down memory lane. Now, the market cap is less than $3 million. I will tell you a bunch about the project in the next few minutes. The 10x potential of this one reaches about $30 million in market cap isn't too far-fetched. They burn a whole bunch of tokens, have lots of partnerships lined up, and a lot more interesting things, but more to that right now. So let's get the app and I show you some more things. It's on the Google App Store, so let's say, for example, use the Brave browser or use Google Chrome. You can simply get it, click on Add to Chrome, add extension. You see 4.9 stars with over 400 ratings and 10,000 users. We see our extension here, click on it, and that's how we agreed it. Pretty image, using Cirus for the first time, surf the web, earn crypto, simple as that. You can create an account for which you use your first name and last name. In my case, I'm Melos and crypto. You don't have to use your real name. Continue, select your password. If you have a referral code, enter it there. If I happen to have one, it's down below or it's added on screen right here in this message. Agree to the terms and policies. Yes, I do. You can also sign up for the newsletter if you want to. And after you enter the code that is sent to your email, you will be greeted with your USD earnings over here for your data. This is your Cirus score. It's a short tutorial on how everything works in here. You can store, swap, and send your crypto as well, which I think you can do, like it's on centralized exchanges, so it's connected to that. If you want to swap USD to Cirus, for example, you can do that. You see the performance of Cirus in the last 24 hours, past week, and so on and so forth. And you get a couple other coins in here as well. Now, let's say, for example, you want to receive something in your wallet. Select receive, select what you like. Let's say Tether. It's based on ETH, you understand. You have your wallet address over there. You can send from the wallet as well, mainly the Cirus token. And here's what you do, right? Here's what we actually have to do now that we have the wallet. Use Google. That's it. So you set it up once, never have to do anything, and you already benefit from that. In the settings, there's the surf and earn feature enabled. You can also disable that if you don't like free money. You can select whether you want to display the wallet balance in USD, euros on Cirus, and now we're good to go. Also, when you hold Cirus within your wallet, you receive more rewards than without, as each wallet works like a miner on the network. Now, they've been also audited by Hacken. You can stake if you like to, or convert the tokens. Let's say you have 100 Cirus in your wallet, around $3 as of now. You will click on staking pools after your wallet is connected. In case MetaMask shows up first, you sometimes have to disable adblock or just refresh the page. Let's say use Brave, get rid of the shields and refresh, and then you're good. And for the active staking pool over here, the Cirus community, you get 27% rounded up in APY. So pretty much a token you get for free. You can then stake and get 27% on the free token for free. Double positive right here. Now you might wonder, okay, who's the team behind it? Who does any of that? They are, first of all, docs, the entire team behind it. You can also read the entire white paper, every single step. But on the YouTube channel, they do, I would say, monthly, if not bi-weekly AMAs and podcasts, where they explain to you some things about the projects, the mission, the vision, what they want to do moving forward, a year in review for 2023 as well. So the people that work behind it are actual humans. Now, this might seem like a obvious thing, but in crypto, this is somewhat rare. Most of the time when I look at projects, it takes a long time to even figure out who works on that. You have like a random LinkedIn that links to a job page of somebody from 3 years ago and you have no idea who's behind it. But in here, fully doxed, you know who works on this, another green flag. For the token, if you want to read the white paper, it is linked for the official links as well on CoinMarketCap or simply in the description down below. Same as links to KuCoin, for example, where you can get the token. As they're listed there, as well as on Gate, you can get it on Uniswap as well if you don't want to use centralized exchanges, Maxi, Bitmart, and more. And then there are a couple talks for, I think, OKX and Bybit on where to be listed next. Now, if you like reading, there's a lot to read about the white paper. So let's focus on the actual idea behind it. Why did they even create the project? They started building Cirus a couple years ago as they had one goal in mind: value back to people. You notice that there's so many moments in life where value is created, but the people creating it are often left out of the equation. And Web3 can solve that. Now, 62% can't even enter it. With the lack of funds or access, 1.7 billion people remain unbanked, and 9 billion were lost through FTX. And most people don't trust big tech. If you think about, do you trust Apple and Amazon with your user data? They probably sell it to third parties. And you get left out, don't get paid for it? Not a good deal. Recently, they partnered up with Shift Markets. They have the marketplace infrastructure for digital assets. I can read to you the headline right there. Basically, they work with, I think, 59 up to 60 exchanges at the moment and have a user base of up to 40 million, with the potential of those users then end up using the Cirus wallet, as they embrace the future of digital assets with their crypto as a service model. And if you already partner with the crypto exchange infrastructure provider, there's a good chance that a bunch of users might join fairly soon. They will also be the first that offer a non-custodial wallets with centralized exchanges. As you've learned with FTX, if it's not your keys, it's not your coin, not your seed phrase, not your coins, they want to solve that. Because if you get money on FTX, or any exchange actually, and you can't access that because it's not your crypto, then what do you really own? For the Cirus token behind it, that works on a deflationary model, but they already burned, I think, 35 million tokens out of the 100 million in circulating supply. And they're gonna burn another, I think, 10 million tokens, up to 10 million fairly soon. Originally, they only had data sales as a way to make money, but as they fleshed out the entire system over the last year and a half, they had additional revenue sources. What do they do with that? They modified the structure of the token, reallocate the remaining supply, to reduce the total supply, reallocate the remainder, and transition to a deflationary model. And in super simple basic finance terms, less supply, more demand, price goes up. 50% of the data and revenues are for the buy and burn feature. Part of the circulating supply is to be burned. There'll be node deployment, their Web3 lab products and upgrades and so on and so forth. But most importantly, the whole takeaway is you get a total supply, tokens are going to be burned, there are more rewards for data, for nodes, and that will deflate over time. With that model, they see every single wallet holder, which counts as a miner on the network, as an integral part of a big data network, and into which value is reinserted. External value will still enter the token ecosystem from the real world revenues. 50% will be allocated to purchase and burn. And again, the more that gets burned, the better for you, and the better moving forward for the entire project. Plus, if there are nodes, and I do like nodes, there's always a way on how you can get one as well. As that is mentioned over here for future node rewards, so I would assume we get some eventually. We'll find out. They anticipate a 2 to 3 month period between the release of the document and the official kickoff of the new reward system. But as this article was posted in November 22nd, that system should be around now. Now, right now, the mobile development is right on track, meaning if you get your phone, most people in crypto only use their phone. You can integrate your wallet in there, for which they will have some features like a payment on and off ramp, a couple more partnerships, bunch of good stuff moving forward. They're also in the talk with one of the big 3 crypto institutes regarding staking, which then allows stakers to get even more rewards. And once that is worked out, again, another announcement, more hype, all good things. They will also select the optimal centralized exchange, where they probably go with Bybit or OKX, and another major exchange lined up for the second quarter, so even more hype. And then there's the JKL group. They are a group that has like $500 million worth of assets for their investments, where they're focused on digital assets and blockchain, and they will use Cirus as their exclusive wallet partner. Also, as I mentioned, the burn for the token is going to be happening this week, which means around 10 million tokens, give or take a couple, are going to be burned as well. Now, the market cap is still quite low, and you always ask about the altcoins, the gems, and so on and so forth. Keep in mind it's free, just get the wallet, so you don't have to pay for anything. But if you want to, it is available on Gate, on KuCoin, Uniswap. Pick your favorite, links to everything are down below. So in short, we have a wallet that rewards you for existing and for using Google anyways. You have to do basically nothing, as that just loads in the background while you use Google and you get your rewards in USD or in Cirus. You can swap it in the app. They have a bunch of partnerships lined up, partnered with Shift Markets to bring this in front of the eyes of 40 million people, have even more exchanges lined up, a kind of hedge fund that has $500 million in control with Cirus as the exclusive crypto wallet, and additional partnerships and updates pretty much every single week. Now, considering the current market cap as well as token price, I wouldn't be surprised if this has the 10x potential that everybody wants to talk about. There are a bunch of meme coins out there with like $150, $200 million market cap, and they have absolutely no utility or purpose. And considering everything mentioned in the video, video, I wouldn't be surprised if there's another big leg up when it comes to the market cap, as the user base is still around 10,000 as mentioned. Getting to 10, 15, even $30 million in market cap is at least a feasible reality. Obviously not financial advice, duh. But even if you go to like page 6 of CoinMarketCap, even these projects have $60 million in market cap. Now, I don't know about you, but I haven't heard about most of them. And if a silly dragon, for example, has a market cap of 35 mil, then it can't be that difficult for a good product to reach a similar valuation. So again, if this would be on Tinder, it would be a super like, as I see a bunch of green flags. Most importantly being, it's free. And then again, if you want to get the wallet and there's a referral code, it's right here on my black shirt so you can see the white letters. Just get the wallet, it's free. Links to everything down below. If you want to get the token, go for it, not financial advice. And with that being said, I will probably sleep fairly soon. And until next time, where I might wear contact lenses so I can take those glasses off, take care.